individual choice really matters. So like Altaf mentioned earlier, we've enabled users to pick from, over a million causes that the Benevity catalog supports. And um, on the one hand, like we have customers giving us that feedback of like, it really matters to me that I give back to a cause that I personally care about. So that's great that we're able to fulfill that through the Benevity capability. And then secondly, it also helps with a more equitable distribution of those donations. As a big company or as any company, there might be some nonprofits that are on the radar that you would end up highlighting or featuring just because that's someone that's a nonprofit you've heard of or been able to highlight. But through bringing customers into the journey of selecting the nonprofits that they give back to, it really helps with a much more diverse set of charities that can benefit from something like this. And then finally, I want to talk a little bit about the Benevity API integration because you might already have various solutions you're integrated with Benevity already. But with the API integration, I'll just share a couple things that we found really beneficial here. So the first thing was the flexibility in one, like, how many causes that we surface, and we went for, the maximum amount that we could, as well as the kind of donation model we want to implement and integrate into our product experience. And the second thing, which is also very important to us, was building this capability while also seamlessly integrating into our product look and feel. So some of the screenshots here you see are from the Give with Bing experience of the search experience and the dashboard that we have. And we're really able to integrate that into our experience without having to send the user to another destination. And it just like was really great for us to be able to have that flexibility.